Hi, I'm Paul Obsta,
I'm Dorinda Obsta.
and we're the owners of Mr. Potty Plumbing, located here in downtown beautiful Katy, Texas.
Before we go any further, hit that like and subscribe button below. What's wrong with this garbage disposal?
What's going on? What's it doing?
It's not doing anything.
Oh man, let's see what's happening here. Oh, so
Tip
all right,
of
we
the
got a good
day.
tip of the day here. So, what have you checked anything underneath?
No.
Well, we're gonna go over a couple of things you can look at here. So, first off, you got your reset button. That's on most garbage disposals. You just kind of have to feel around. There's a little spot. You just press that button. If it doesn't click or it clicks, then you might have taken care of the problem. Let's see if we took care of it. No, we didn't take care of the problem. So now we just look for the wires. And there we go. We got a wire that's disconnected. So we plug that back in. Let's give it another shot and see what happens. Oh, we got a working garbage disposal.
When your plumbing's naughty, call Mr. Potty and we'll get you taken care of.
See ya.